Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to check opening and closing hours on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can see an info panel where you can find more details about this location. Scroll down in the info panel until you see opening hours section. Click on the drop down arrow next to hours to view daily breakdowns. If you scroll down further, you will see a graph titled Popular Times. This bar graph shows the busiest hours for each day. Similarly, you can check opening and closing hours for other places on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.